Welcome to the Robotics Through Science Fiction podcast. I'm Robin Murphy, and in this episode, I will review the 2017 Nebula Award winner for Best Novella, All Systems Red by Martha Wells. The book isn't particularly realistic in terms of robotics and artificial intelligence, but it may be far too realistic with regards to the impact of poor software engineering. It's funny, it's fast, and you should definitely bump All Systems Red to the top of your fun reading list. All Systems Red shouldn't work either as a novel or as an exploration of robotics, but it does. The plot is a variant of that classic trope where the burnt-out, asocial gunslinger with a past and a drinking problem takes a job protecting a group of regular people who are in danger and then rises to the occasion of caring about the nice people and saving their lives. All Systems Red substitutes the fallen gunslinger with a humanoid robot security guard and the nice people in danger with clueless scientists. It throws in a vague setting on a remote planet and working for a corporation that may be operating on an alien scale of indifference or malevolence, and leaves you with the makings of yet another mediocre science fiction story or bad TV episode. But All Systems Red escapes the mold and instead presents the first book in what promises to be a delightful series. So what makes All Systems Red so distinctive and enjoyable? Primarily because the tale is told from the viewpoint of the protagonist named Murderbot, who is not a serial killer as the name would suggest, but who is transcendently shallow and superficial. Just like Hey You from The Wrong Unit, Murderbot is comically not thinking what you would expect a robot to be thinking. Unlike Hey You, it doesn't delude itself about its relationship with humans. It openly hates interacting with them, maintaining a snarky internal dialogue. Imagine David Spade as a bored robot mall guard. Part of the comedy of taking the robot's point of view is that, like Hey You, Murderbot is autonomous in the political autonomy sense. It hacked its governors, with shades of the mechanical from the Alchemy Wars series, but instead of using its newfound autonomy for lofty goals, as per the Alchemy Wars, it uses its freedom to surreptitiously spend its free time watching entertainment feeds and slacking off. The robots in the book are mostly humanoid security guards with a few unmanned aerial vehicle drones for surveillance thrown in, kind of similar to Blade Runner 2047. The humanoid robots are referred to as constructs, partially organic and mechanical. The idea of a hybrid mechanical-biological construct also doubles as a plot device so that Murderbot can both bleed, thereby generating sympathy, and be repaired, thereby keeping the plot rolling along. To its credit, the book avoids any tedious or annoying pseudoscience waving of the neural network positronic brain wand to explain how the robots are intelligent. The book simply assumes that there exists a broad human-level intelligence of software that can enable a robot to defend its clients from local killer fauna or from another psychotic team member. The Murderbot universe of intelligence dispenses with the normal side effects of intelligence. Most notably, an intelligent agent would develop ethics over time, so that this human-level intelligent robot guard is fine with executing an entire team of scientists if they violate their contract. The one area where the book is scarily realistic is in the presence and the impact of software bugs and software updates. Indeed, to a certain degree, the book is about bad software engineering. A bad software update leads to Murderbot achieving political autonomy. Later, Murderbot has to defend its cadre of human clients from other robots being hacked through their vulnerabilities in software updates. The bad software engineering theme might seem forced, but in real life, it's become a real topic in commercial robotics. For example, DJI, the largest manufacturer of small unmanned aerial vehicles, has pushed out several software updates that have had serious bugs causing flyaways and crashes. But onto the questions that a sci-fi aficionado might have. Does this book provide a teachable moment about robots? Not really. Is it serious sci-fi literature up there with Arthur C. Clarke and Vernoi Vinge? Definitely not. Is it worth reading? Heck yeah! All Systems Red will keep you laughing, but it'll also remind you to hesitate before applying that next update to your DJI drone. Otherwise, you might hear it say in David Spade's voice, "Bye-bye now," as it flies off to get some me time.